Okay, so I wanted to make a quick video about how to access the Xero API from R. Okay, so I hadn't seen a video of how to do this, so I just thought I'd make one. So the first thing we're going to need is we're going to need to make an app inside developer.xero. So we go new app, it's a web app, we can call it anything we want. So new app, doesn't matter, testing. Cool, web app. The company, I just use my my website. So I don't. Yeah, I just use my own website. So that's just Tag Analytics. Let's get that. There we go, and there we go, and there we go. Create app. Okay, fantastic. So we've made the app. Go to configuration. And then we just copy this client ID. So that goes in there in the client ID. Then we need to generate a secret. We copy that and we paste that secret in there. And that's just the same as this one here. So that goes in there. All right. So these are the packages that we need for this process. And at the moment, I've already got this little refresh token, so let's get rid of it. All right. So if this there's a certain dance you need to do if you're doing it for the first time. Okay, so let's do it. So we're going to make a URL, and we're going to browse that URL and get a code. All right. So if we go to that URL, it's asking us to authorize, so we just authorize. And then it takes us to this web page. Now you might think, oh, what's happening? But all it's doing is it's just appending to that web page the code we need. All right, so we just grab that. So then we just plonk it in there. And so now we got the code returned. Fantastic. So we can encode that. Oh, we don't need to encode, we're just encoding the client ID and the client secret first. So we do that. And then this does something. And this gives us the access token and the refresh token. And we just need to save the refresh token. All right. Oop. We didn't do that. There we go. So now we've saved the refresh token. So the next time we do this process, we won't need to do that. So let's Control Shift F10. So we've made the refresh token, and then let's go through it again. So bam, 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 bam. And then we don't need any of that. It's going to say no. We're going to read the refresh token. This bit here it might even be fine to put this outside of the function. Let's do that. Yeah. Let's make it a thing, and then we won't need it inside there. Cool. Okay, so this is just a process for refreshing the access token when we need to do it, right? So what it does is using that refresh token, it gives us a new access token, okay? And the refresh token can be used again as well. So when we do that, it's doing this. So it's overriding the refresh token. That's saved in there. Actually, I should make this refresh token path. There we go. It's just the same thing as to what it was. Yeah, cool. So yeah. And this allows us to query the API. So I've just got an example one here where I pull up my tenant ID. And there it is there. That's not going to change over time. So that running this is sort of not necessary to do every time. We can get the contacts ID. So that's what I used here. We can also get invoices. And we can also upload upload a draft invoice to Xero, which is also quite handy. So I won't demonstrate those because they'll reveal personal information, but the code is there and then it works. All right, I'll catch you later.